What's up with it, Locked In fam? Welcome back to another episode of Locked In with Trey, and today we are going to discuss a few products that I like to use for my beard growth, you know what I'm saying, outside of, the handy dandy Minoxidil, you feel me? Everybody know about the Minoxidil. I heard about Minoxidil who clicked this video, and if you are new here, hey, you're in for a treat. Let's go. Okay, let me guess. You ain't got no beard, your daddy ain't got no beard, your brother ain't got no beard, because of course that's your brother, unless y'all don't have the same daddy. Well then that's none of my business. So you looking for something that's gonna help start it off. You want to see those baby hairs start sprouting out, those vellus hairs. That's what we call it in the beard community, the vellus hairs, you know what I'm saying? So you want to see a little bit of this action right here, right? You see that? You want to see a little bit of that action come up, you know what I'm saying? And even before you get to where it's dark, you know what I'm saying, it's gonna show up white. It's gonna be like real little fine stringy white hairs. It's not because you wise, no, it's just the little baby hairs start out that way. So you trying to get that, you ready to sprout. Well, have no fear, Locked In with Trey is here. Hey, I'm gonna get y'all started off something easy. First and foremost, you need you a good face wash. That's what that is. That's what I'm using right there. Read it, pause the screen, read it. Boom. So I've been using this, you know what I'm saying, for about 2 weeks, 3 weeks. And I'm noticing a very good difference. It's getting rid of all the oil. See, I'm naturally oily. Being in the African American community, we're kind of oily, you know what I'm saying? So I don't have to put on a whole bunch of oils. Though I do have to use some, because your boy can be a little ashy getting out the shower, so we don't need none of that. So I do use a little something here and there. But anyways, you gotta have a good face wash, like I said in my other video. Make sure y'all check out my content, you know what I'm saying, because we here, we locked in, and I'll be dropping these videos for y'all back to back to back. So stay tuned. Hey, my video gonna pop up right here. Y'all see it? There it is. Click that. Watch a little bit of that after this video, or pause this and go and then come back. Yeah, but like I said in that video, foundation is key. If you're a farmer, you want to make sure that your land is prepped, and ready to receive the seed. You want to have nice soil and all of that ready. So the same way with your beard. This is crop right here. Y'all see that? This is all my crop. I ain't got much right now. Now right here, you know what I'm saying, I'm flourishing. But I cut this down a little bit. Back in the day, it's getting close to 2 weeks now. So this is like 2 weeks of growth, but that's for another video. Stop trying to get my results right now. I already did that for y'all. Wait until, a few more days and I'll drop a video. But you want to make sure that your soil is ready and prepped to receive the seed, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not telling y'all to get this. I'm not telling y'all to get this or use this, but find something that fits your skin. I just found out that this works for me. It might not work for you. So, hey, try it out if you want to. Now, other products that I use, I got the Jamaican black castor oil, you know what I'm saying, right there. If y'all can pause the screen and see that, this got a whole bunch of good ingredients in it, you know what I'm saying. It's real smooth. It ain't too thick. This is kind of, thicker. It's like on the thicker side, as y'all can see. Let me put this down. It's a little thick in there. It's not like real super liquidy, you feel me? So this is gonna get you right. Make sure you got a good brush to brush it in. Now, if you're a super oily person, I would only use like a dime size or half of a dime. You do not need that much oil if you're already an oily person. Trust me, I'm trying to save you. You don't want to clog up your pores anyway. You trying to make it open. You ain't trying to close it. You feel me? You want all your hairs that you got in your face, because right now you ain't got none. You want all the hairs on your face to have an opportunity to come forth. So the name of the game is do not overdo. You know what I'm saying? So my next product right here, this is a spray from Rocasa. It's an organic company. Let me put that up here. Don't mind all the drips and drazzles. Your boy be using it, you feel me? The ingredients that's in this bad boy right here is we got rosemary, we got cedarwood, we got lavender and tea tree, you know what I'm saying? So all of those are good organic products that you can put on your face to help your hair grow to the thickest it can grow. And you good, you know what I'm saying? Other than that, what you really clicked the video for was this right here. Since you brand new, this is what's gonna get you. It don't matter what ethnicity, it don't matter genetics, any of that. This is gonna make a hair sprout. You know, it might just be a hair if you ain't got nothing there, but it's gonna make something come forth. You feel me? This right here has been a lifesaver, you know what I'm saying, and starting this beard journey process. The Minoxidil, y'all can pause it, read it. They got the liquid kind, they got foam kind, and I don't know if they got any other kind, but they got a ton of brands, you know what I'm saying. This is the Equate brand from Walmart. But Minoxidil has been a lifesaver. It's helped your boy out. Took me from this to this right here into this right here, you know what I'm saying. So hey, Minoxidil is the way to go. If you don't do any of the other stuff that I showed you, get you some Minoxidil, and hey, it's gonna get you there. You just gotta be consistent, but make sure you are consistent, because you can lose progress, especially in the beginning. You want your hairs to go from the white thin hairs to, you know what I'm saying, permanent. This is all permanent, and I didn't used to be able to grow this before, and now I can, you feel me? And all up under here, you know what I'm saying? Stop trying to get a review out of me. Y'all ain't clicked this video for a review or for updates on this. Wait till another video. I got content. But anyways, guys and girls with beards, and I mean that, some girls do get beards, but that's a topic for another day. I love you guys. You already know what it is. It's your boy Trey Smith, bringing you love, peace, and prosperity forevermore throughout your life. Don't you forget it. And I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, peace.